Next, you'll learn how to use the Colilert 18 test with the QuantiTray system to determine the number of coliforms and E. coli in a water sample. IDEX offers two sizes of QuantiTray. Both work with the QuantiTray sealer. The standard QuantiTray is a disposable 51-well tray that provides counts up to 200 per 100 ml sample without dilutions. The QuantiTray 2000 is a disposable 97-well tray that provides counts up to 2,419 per 100 ml sample without dilutions. In addition to the materials used for presence-absence detection, for quantification, you will need a QuantiTray or QuantiTray 2000, a QuantiTray comparator, QuantiTray rubber inserts, a QuantiTray sealer, and the included most probable number table, or the IDEX automated MPN generator program found at IDEX.com. All of these items are included in the QuantiTray system and are available from IDEX. Turn on the sealer, and then wait until a green bar appears on the display. The sealer has now reached operating temperature. Add the Colilert 18 powder to a 100 ml sample and cap the vessel. Shake until the reagent dissolves. Use only a permanent felt tip marker to label the QuantiTray. Adhesive labels may adhere to the sealer roller, and ballpoint pens may puncture the paper. Hold the QuantiTray at the top with the well side facing your palm. Push the top edge of the QuantiTray in with your free hand while squeezing the tray into a circle. Open the QuantiTray by gently pulling the foil tab away from the plastic side. Be careful not to tear the tab. Do not touch the inside of the tray. Pour the sample mixture into the QuantiTray, avoiding contact with the foil tab. Place the filled QuantiTray on the rubber insert, making sure each well fits its corresponding hole. Push the insert with the tray into the sealer until the sealer grabs the tray and pulls it into the slot. If you need to reverse the motor, press and hold the reverse button. However, do not reverse the motor if the rubber insert is completely inside the sealer. The sealer distributes the sample mixture into the QuantiTray wells, seals the wells, and partially ejects the sealed tray. Remove the rubber insert and tray from the sealer. Incubate the sealed tray for 18 hours at 35 degrees centigrade, plus or minus 0.5 degrees centigrade, or according to your local regulating the large overflow well. To determine the number of total coliforms, count the yellow wells that are equal to or greater than the comparator, and then refer to the MPN table included with the QuantiTrays. The most probable number of total coliforms for this example is 17.8 per 100 ml. If using QuantiTray 2000, count the overflow well as a large well. To determine the number of E. coli, view the QuantiTray with a UV lamp in a dark environment, shining the light away from your eyes. Keep the light within 5 inches of the tray. Count the fluorescent wells that are equal to or greater than the comparator, and then refer to the MPN table. The most probable number of E. coli for this example is 8.7 per 100 ml. If you're unsure whether a result is positive, incubate the sample up to an additional 4 hours, 22 hours total, to allow the color and/or the fluorescence to intensify. IDEX recommends that you run a quality control procedure for each lot of Colilert 18 tests. You'll find the quality control procedure in the Colilert 18 product insert. Remember, incubate samples for 18 hours or up to 22 hours total. Samples less yellow than the comparator are negative for total coliforms and E. coli. Yellow samples that are equal to or greater than the comparator are positive for total coliforms. Yellow and fluorescent samples that are equal to or greater than the comparator are positive for E. coli. Colilert